Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to see how Pinterest can help you in your business. Let's dive in. Pinterest is a visual discovery and bookmarking platform that is used by millions of people every day to save and discover ideas for their personal and professional projects. With a high potential for reaching a large audience, Pinterest can be a valuable tool for businesses and individuals looking to increase their online visibility and drive traffic to their websites. Here are some of the top Pinterest SEO tips for high traffic success in India. Number 1, optimize your profile. Number 2, use keywords in your boards and pins. Number 3, pin regularly. Number 4, pin high quality images. Number 5, use rich pins. Number 6, collaborate with other users. And number 7, use Pinterest analytics. Now, along with this, there are certain strategies that you have to keep in mind to increase views for your Pinterest artboard, which in turn will broaden your reach and increase viewership. The first one is understanding your audience. As a business owner or marketeer, it's important to know who your target audience is so that you can create content that resonates with them and drive engagement on the platform. Before you start creating content for Pinterest, you need to know who your target audience is. Considering factors such as age, gender, location, interests, and purchasing habits to create a clear picture of who you want to reach. Once you have a clear picture of your target audience, it's time to research them on Pinterest. Use the platform's search function to see what type of content your audience is interested in and what boards they follow. You can also use Pinterest analytics to see who is engaging with your content and what type of content is performing well. The second important strategy is identify the pain points. Pinterest is a visual discovery and bookmarking tool used by millions of people to find ideas and inspirations for their interests and hobbies. Despite its popularity, there are several pain points that users have reported which hinder their experience on the platform. These pain points include difficulties in finding relevant content through the search function, limited options for customization boards and profiles, and a lack of discovery of new content. To address these issues, Pinterest is working on improving its search algorithm, offering more customization options, and implementing a recommendation system based on user interests and engagement. By addressing these pain points, Pinterest aims to provide a better user experience and help its user find the inspiration they are looking for more efficiency. The third important strategy is create content based on pain points. Creating content on Pinterest based on pain points is a strategy that content creators can use to address the challenges and frustrations faced by users on the platform. This type of content provides solutions and answers to the problems faced by users and can help establish the content creator as a thought leader in their niche. To create content based on pain points, content creators should first research the common issues faced by users on Pinterest, such as difficulty finding relevant content through the search function, limited customization options for boards and profiles, and limited discovery of new content. They can then create content such as blogs, posts, or infographics that provide tips and tricks for overcoming these pain points, offering new ideas and inspirations to users. By creating content based on pain points, content creators can help improve the user experience on Pinterest while also establishing themselves as an expert in their field. The fourth important strategy is choose the right pins. Choosing the right pins on Pinterest is important for effectively reaching your target audience and achieving your goals on the platform. To choose the right pins, consider the following factors. Number 1, Relevance. Make sure the pins you choose are relevant to your target audience and aligned with their interests and needs. Number 2, visual appeal. Choose pins that are visually appealing with clear and attractive images or graphics. Number 3, descriptive titles and descriptions. Make sure the pins have a clear and concise title and description that accurately reflects the content. Number 4, engaging content. Choose pins that offer valuable information, tips, or inspiration to your audience. Number 5, trending topics. Consider creating pins on popular and trending topics that your target audience may be interested in. By considering these factors, you can ensure that the pins you choose on Pinterest are effectively in reaching your target audience and achieving your goals on the platform. The fifth important strategy is leverage idea pins. Leveraging idea pins on Pinterest is a strategy that can help content creators and businesses reach a larger audience and increase engagement on the platform. Idea pins are pins that provide inspiration, tips, or information to users such as recipes, fashion ideas, home decor inspiration, etc. To leverage idea pins, follow these steps. Number 1, identify your target audience. Determine who your target audience is and what their interests and needs are. Number 2, create engaging content. Create idea pins that offer value to your target audience, such as inspirations, tips, or information. Number 3, optimize your pins for search. Use relevant keywords in your pin titles, descriptions, and tags to make them easily discoverable through search. Number 4, promote your pins. Search your idea pins on your or other social media platforms and promote them to reach a wider audience. Number 5, interact with your audience. Respond to comments and engage with users who have saved or repinned your content. By leveraging idea pins, you can provide value to your target audience, increase engagement on Pinterest, and drive more traffic to your content or business. The sixth important strategy is apply Pinterest SEO. The tip that I have mentioned in the beginning of the video is an ideal and optimal way for Pinterest SEOs. I hope these tips will help you increase your viewership and reach. If you like this video, please do like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell. I'll see you guys next time.